In Chapter 8, we're going to shift from doing distributions based on the population, but now based on other types of information. So for 8.1, we have the samples. So the biggest thing to take away from this is that they're going to give us, in most of the problems, they'll give us the population average, and they'll give us the population standard deviation. Right, so they're going to give us mu and they're going to give us sigma. Whenever it comes down to a sample, in the problems they're going to give us some sort of sample, which is n. They're going to give us some sample size. So once they give us the sample size, we have to adjust our numbers to fit our sample size. It's pretty simple. For the sample distribution, so let's call it sample distribution, our mu x bar, so that's our average for our sample, will be the old mu. That doesn't change. But our standard deviation for our sample will change. So our standard deviation is going to be the old standard deviation divided by the square root of n. So that'll be the new information that we have to get so that we can do the math on these sample types of ideas. So just to recap, they're going to give us the population average, population standard deviation. They have to give us some sample size, and as soon as they give us a sample size, we have to adjust our information to match that. So our average stays the average, but our standard deviation, our new standard deviation, sigma x bar, will be the old standard deviation divided by the square root of n.